Hi there. I thought I'd do a video 6 on Saturday. So it's a blustery September day now. Wind's getting up. We just had a shower of rain. The clouds coming over. Looks like we're in for another shower. So the garden's been blown about a bit, but there's still some things that are looking good and interesting that it's worth calling out. And the first, I have to say, are these lettuces. So this is a sort of cut and come again, couple of rows of lettuces, and obviously they've bolted, but they've got this incredible architectural style to them now. Beautiful. They're just beginning to flower. The reddish hued ones, the green ones, they sort of plumes of green foliage. So, I've left them because I thought it'd be interesting to see, how they looked all together as great spires of leaves. I'll pull them out soon, but interesting to see how big they become. Next up are these sedums. So I think these are autumn joy sedum. In fact, the name's changed. Achillea Herbstfreude autumn joy. But look at them in their prime now as we're in September. Wonderful sort of flattened pink topped flowers, silvery green leaves. These are a real current favourite, and they go nicely with these Achillea, which is the third thing I wanted to show you. This is Achillea, I think cerise queen, and you can see the combination of the Achillea and the Hytalephum, the sedum. They sort of reflect each other in their flower shapes and in their colours. Also, this big Dahlia. I've featured this before when I was looking at dahlias, but I don't even know the name of this. It's got a real sort of strength of character to it. It holds itself up above the rest of the plants and really shouts out its presence. And then I'm really liking my Rudbeckia. These are the gold Sedums coming, as a real group now, looking good. Really working well as a clump and contrasting with some of the other plants. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So finally, I was going to show you these Verbenas. This is a really tall Verbena, and it's just starting to rain now. So I'm going to wrap up quickly. But this is a Verbena Buenos Aires. And when they started growing, I was a bit disappointed. The flowers looked as if they were going to be quite sort of insignificant, but as they've developed, the flower heads have really thickened out. There's a nice, interesting contrast. Behind is a ceanothus, which is has just reflowered a little bit. And there's a nice contrast between the blue of the ceanothus and the purple of the Verbena. So there you have it. There's 6 on a wet and blustery Saturday in September.